Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the TypeScript. So today we are going to learn about the typecasting using the TypeScript. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here, the typecasting allows you to convert a variable from one type to another. So basically what we are doing the conversion of a variable from one type to another with the help of the two syntax, that is using the angle brackets and using the as keyword. Okay, so the two types of syntax for the typecasting would be the angle brackets and another one is as keyword. Okay, so first one, angle bracket syntax. So here you can see that we have an angle bracket syntax. So let a number string b dot length. This is syntax. Okay. So in this syntax you use angle brackets and to enclose the data type, to enclose the target data type. So here we are enclosing the target data type, which is b, followed by the value you want to cast. Okay, this value you want to cast. This syntax is often referred as a angle bracket syntax. Okay, take an example. So let's be any number. So we are, this is any, there is to be a number, whether it's to be string, so the type is any. So I want the number here, you can see that explicitly casting b as a string. So this is angle bracket, right? So b, so here we are, this variable we are going to cast it as a string, and we are getting the length of that one. So explicitly casting b as a string, and the output goes over here. So let me, in this example we have a variable b that is declared as any, which means it could hold any type of the value. We explicitly cast b as a string using the angle bracket syntax and then assess the length property of the resulting string. So let's copy this and run this in the TypeScript. Okay, so here we go with run. So here you can see that the output is 5. Okay, the next one we have the as keyword syntax. Okay, so let a would be a this is syntax. So this is how we are going to use b as string dot length. So in this syntax you use the as keyword to specify the target data type. Okay, immediately after the value you want to cast. The syntax offered as a as keyword syntax. So here we have the example, b is of any type, a should be a number, and we are typecasting, explicitly casting b as a string and getting the value of that length. Okay, so this is how we are able to typecasting using the TypeScript. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.